All right, today I'm taking a look at the Selore 14-in-1 USB-C hub. There we go. So this is one of the nice things for me. This is a USB-C, so this is going to be able to plug into my laptop, and everything else on here is essentially just going to be a big adapter. So I've got 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, VGA, HDMI, USB 2 again, 2 USB-C ports, and this is the power delivery port, so I can plug my charger into here, and then I can use this, plug this in, and I'm only using one port on the computer for this. And then we got SD and micro SD. So this is aluminum, like it feels pretty solid. I really like that. Oh, and we got a 3.5 jack for audio. That's nice. All right, so let's plug this guy in here. Okay, so automatically detected, and we got a little green light right here, so we know that it's working. And if I plug in my mouse, so the mouse is working. And if I pull the adapter and I plug it into USB 2, that's still working. And then my micro SD card. So let's see what speed this will run at. I expect it to be right around 90 megabytes per second. Okay, so that's actually really good. I was expecting around 90 megabytes per second. This got about 93 megabytes per second. So that is a very respectable speed for anything that's a UHS-1 card. So yeah, this is a fantastic reader. So I'm going to be using this with this laptop. Essentially, I'm going to throw this in my backpack. Anytime I need to plug something in, I'll just have that available. But what's great about these is that you can just take this and put it on your desk, plug your mouse and your extra monitor and everything into it, so that when you get home, you can just take your laptop, drop it down, plug it in, and you'll already have everything already connected. So it'll have one cable to connect everything. So that's where those things really come in handy. But for me, this is just going to be great to be able to connect anything that I want to on the go. So that's an awesome little hub.